Hey dolls, it's Anastasia Lulu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little spring summer glam get ready with me. The first video I filmed on this channel was a simple get ready with me glam, and I just thought I would show you guys what I've been doing lately, a few new products that I've been loving, and yeah, just getting my whole look ready for spring summer. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching, but before we get into that, I am going to grab my crystal and say an affirmation. Okay, today I am reaching for my rose quartz crystal, and the affirmation today is, I am so proud of how far I've come. I am evolving, growing, and overall becoming a better person. Even with the times that I felt like giving up, I kept going. I strongly believe I was placed on this earth for a reason. I will continue to give myself credit for how strong and capable I am. I am worthy of achieving anything I want in this life. Okay guys, keep watching to see how I get this glam. So annoyingly, my skin has really been reacting to any kind of self-tanners or tanning drops that, you would use on the face. So I have been reaching for my Drunk Elephant Sunshine Drops, and I just mix in 2 drops of this in with my daily moisturizer. It just gives a really nice glow to the skin. So if you are like myself and have sensitive skin, it's just a really great go-to instead of fake tanning. Okay, so I am gonna start with the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I am in the shade 5 Tan, and I am desperately in need of topping this up. And I'm just gonna go all over with this really, but concentrating on the high points of the face. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just pat that into the skin. I'm not sure about this lighting today, guys. Okay, so that just instantly adds a little bit of glow. It's really perfect for kind of low-key makeup days, and I'm just always reaching for it. And it just gives a really beautiful sheen to the skin. So next I'm gonna go in with my Iconic London Seamless Concealer. This is just my favorite concealer. It's so creamy and it just looks amazing under the eyes. And I'm actually gonna go in with quite a light color. I like a really bright under eye. So I'm gonna go and take this in the inner corners of my eyes, add a couple dots below my lash line, and then do that kind of edge, kind of angled edge from the outer corner of my eye to my temple. And then I'm gonna take some concealer around my nose and then lift it here as well. And of course, when you look sufficiently crazy, I'm gonna go in with just my finger and start blending that in. The warmth of the finger really helps melt the product into the skin. I'm gonna take some of that Access concealer and bring it up to my eyelids, because I get quite veiny there. There we go, guys. Look how great I look. Stunning. Taking a beauty blender, I'm gonna press that into the skin. And then I'm just gonna take a flat brush and continue working that in. Once that is sufficiently blended, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder and just gently press it underneath my eyes. I'm not taking this down low because I'm still gonna go in with some cream products. So just concentrating it under the eye and on the eyelid. This just helps prevent creasing and keeps your concealer lasting all day long. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand, and I'm gonna take the contour quite high on my face, literally placing it right on and under my cheekbone. Really quite high up there. This is kind of a really easy way to cheat a more sculpted and lifted look. Rather than bringing my contour down, I'm gonna focus it higher up, so we're drawing everything to the high points of the face. And of course, I'm gonna bring that on my forehead and my jawline, just lightly. And taking a beauty sponge, I'm gonna roll that where the contour is for a really natural finish. Okay, now that the contour is all applied, I am next gonna go in with Nude Sticks Nudie Matte Blusher in Beach Babe. This is like the perfect kind of like matte blusher that just really gives you like a super cool, you know, fresh look that I am just so into for spring and summer. And I'm gonna go in directly on the cheeks. This look is all about blusher, okay? We are here for it. You know, in Devil Wears Prada when she's like, florals for spring, how groundbreaking. That's how I feel about blusher, like blusher for spring, groundbreaking. But I can't help it. Okay, and across the nose is a really cute way to, of course, give that kind of sunburnt, sun-kissed look. And this blush color is really pretty because I feel like it really suits that kind of middle, olivey skin tone, and they just have a really great range of blushers that make it really easy to pick your shade. So for this product, because it is quite matte and a little bit stiff, I'm gonna use my fingers in like this patting motion to blend the product into the face. Do a little bit of finger painting here. Not bringing it down too far because we want the face to remain sculpted. I think I overdid my nose blush, so I'm gonna go in with my sponge. Anytime you feel like you overdid your blush, your contour, like whatever product it is, just get a little damp sponge and just press into the area because it really helps prick up that kind of excess product. Okay, once the blusher is applied and looking cute, we're gonna go in with a little bit of highlight. So I obviously had to pick up the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight, and I am just absolutely loving it. Okay, it's the same applicator that I complained about with my contour wand, but I figured something out. Okay, and all of you guys who watched my last video are probably like, duh, you can lock it so it doesn't make a mess. So you just twist the top of these wands and it locks and unlocks the wand so that it doesn't like ooze product and is open at the bottom of your bag. Duh. And that's been a game changer for me. So yeah, I am going to open this up and apply a little bit of highlight. So I'm just gonna squeeze out the product and apply it to my cheekbones. Just the really high points of the face, kind of going over that blush. Maybe I might add a little bit to my temples as well. And a tiny bit to my Cupid's bow. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and patting that into the skin. I think I probably went overboard on the highlight, but that's okay. We're gonna do my little sponge trick and take any excess product. But we are all about the glow for spring, all about the blush. It just has to be done. Okay, now that I have my base glowing, bronzed, blushing, all of the above, I'm gonna go in with a bit of powder and just set any kind of places that are too shiny or too oily. Again, reaching for my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder and a fluffy brush and just tapping that in to any area that I want to be a bit more matte. Okay, and a really easy trick for a really quick nose contour is grab your bronzer, pack a generous amount onto your brush, and apply straight onto your nose. Okay, looks scary at first, but trust me, it's so easy. Next, you're gonna grab a concealer that's a little bit light for you, which is my iconic one. And I am just gonna go down the center of my nose. Like so lightly, just like that. And with my finger, I'm just gonna tap that out. And there is your really easy, quick nose contour. And of course, add a tiny bit of highlight as well. Okay, with my base makeup officially done, I'm gonna go in and do a bit on my eyes. So I'm grabbing my bronzer and just carving out my eyes, just in the crease with a fluffy brush. And next, I'm gonna reach for a small angled brush and I'm gonna go in with a dark brown. This is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. And I am just going to create the smallest wing. And do the same on the other side. I mean, as usual, these wings turned out bigger than expected, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work. So next I'm reaching for my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk little eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna just go for this shimmer shade here. And I'm taking some on my finger and applying it to the inner corner of my eye, just there. I am just loving this little bit of sparkle shimmer situation. I think it's really pretty. I hope the camera can pick it up. It's really, really pretty. And I just think it elevates like any kind of glam. And then I'm gonna reach for my eyelash curlers and just gently curl both sides. And I'm gonna reach for my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and apply a generous amount to my lashes. I just can't get over my natural lashes with Revitalash. It is insane. I think I've said it like in every video, but seriously. And I'm just gonna take a small smudging brush and take that same brown and apply it in my waterline. And I'm only bringing that kind of halfway across. I mean, this is a darker eye look than I was initially gonna go for, but I'm into it. And then I'm going to grab my mascara and do my bottom lashes really lightly. And then I'm gonna go in with my Benefit brow pencil, and I am just going to very lightly fill in my brows. I mean, they are in desperate need of some help, but I'm so close, like, to beauty salons opening in the UK. So I'm just like, if I can just hold on doing anything drastic to them with my tweezers until the salons open, that would be amazing. Then I go in with my brush and just comb through that. And I'm gonna finish with my current go-to lip, which is the lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in Foxy Brown. And I'm going to use it as a lip liner, but I'm also going to fill in my lips a little bit. And then I'm going to use my Lanolux Golden Water lip gloss, lip balm over it. And it's just like the perfect kind of golden shimmer. Okay dolls, there you have it. I just popped on a scarf because my hair is just not cooperating. That is my updated, like, easy glam for spring. It kind of turned out a little bit more than I thought it would, which is the story of my life when I do my makeup. But I am loving this look and I just think it's so easy to do. I hope you liked this video. I am so excited to just get into spring and summer. Like, I am so ready for it. And if you guys liked this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you guys. Love to hear more of what you guys want to see. As always, leave your suggestions down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!